guys, and today I built this awesome Lego set. Well, not Lego set, but Lego build. And here it is. It is my helicopter remastered. And yeah, the blades, you got the lights on the outside of the blades. And then got a little opening front right there. Pretty cool. Put your blades like that though. Then you got a little control panel thingy. Got some levers. Then you have a steering wheel. And right here you have a lifeguard thing. And then you got some stands and a vent. Then you got a little sign for other helicopters or planes that are above you. And then you have this, like a little stinger right there. There's that little stinger part on it. And here's the blade, the back blade. That's all. Bye-bye, guys.